in today's video, I'm gonna share with you my review on the Garnier Micellar Water. Now, before we get into this, I have a few things to say. One, I call it micellar, and I figured online it is pronounced in two ways. One is micellar and the other one is micellar. I do not know which one is the correct way to pronounce. If you do know that, please comment below. Do not get nasty. I know that it has two pronunciations. I just don't know which one is the more correct one, or if both of them are equally correct. Anyway, so these are two pronunciations, and it has micelles in it or micelles in it. I don't know again. And micellar water means, so I'm just gonna go with micellar now, and I just wanna say that micellar water means it has micelles in it, which actually target dirt and makeup and oil and all the grime which is actually sitting on top of your skin. It helps you to remove that without drying out the skin. Also, the other one that Garnier has is the micellar oil infused water as well, micellar water as well. We're gonna get to that in a bit, but before that, I just want to say that Garnier had sent me this PR package of theirs, which has the micellar water over here and the oil infused one over here and cotton pads in between and all of that. I'm just gonna put this aside, and I'm just gonna say that before they sent me this, I had already called for the micellar water online. My hair's a mess. I'd called for this online, and the oil infused one as well. I called for it from Amazon, and I really wanted to try the micellar water. When I saw it in the advertisement, I was like, I really want to try this out, and I did not know that I was gonna get it anyway, but I don't care much about that. Anyway, let us begin with my review on this. I have used up this whole damn thing, and I've already started to use the other bottle, which I just put in the box again only because I could show it, so that I could show to you guys. So I've used up this much already. Now I'm just gonna quickly read what this bottle says, and I'm also gonna give you like a short demo while I speak about it, and I'll tell you what I think about this particular product. And just for the record, I've used a lot of micellar waters. I've used the Bioderma one, I've used the NYX one, I've used this one, I've used the Sephora one, which has calendula extract in it. I am a huge fan of micellar waters. So let us begin with what is written on top of this bottle over here. They say that this removes makeup, it cleanses, it soothes, and you do not need to rinse it off. Honestly, you guys, most micellar waters, and in my opinion, I think all of them, you do not need to wash off your face. You can actually just carry on with your day without washing your face. But I'm that person who needs to wash her face. So even though if my face is absolutely clean, I have to wash it off using my face wash or whatever it is that I need to use after this particular product, although it is not necessary. Now they say that this is meant for face, eyes, and lips. It does not have perfume. This is meant for all skin types. This is a non-sticky formula, non-oily, and without perfume. I think I mentioned that. And this is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So I have sensitive skin, I have dry skin. In the winter months, I have very dry skin. So I feel like this has been working really well for me. And whenever I'm wearing makeup like this, what I'm wearing right now, the amount of makeup that is there on my face, I need only 5 to 6 cotton pads like this to take care of my makeup with the help of this particular micellar water. I feel like this is really mild and gentle on my skin. It does not, you do not need to rub your skin. It is very clearly mentioned that all you have to do is just press it on top of your skin and swipe it off. It will help you take care of all the makeup, the dirt, and the grime. And on days when I do not wear makeup and if I've just gone to the gym, I make sure that I'm using this in the nighttime before my, nighttime skincare routine. The next thing that I want to say is that it does not sting my eyes, you guys. Like, there was one micellar water which I did use on my eyes, and my eyes felt like they were burning, and I felt like this is meant for sensitive skin, and why are my eyes stinging and burning, and why is the skin around my eyes so irritated? But with this particular one, I cannot even tell you how gentle it is on my eyes. Also on the face, it does not feel like you're using anything. It actually literally feels like water, and all you gotta do is just swipe it, and really gently it will take care of all the makeup. It definitely soothes the skin. I pretty much agree with that. After taking care of all the makeup or the dirt and the grime, and just before washing my face, if I do touch my skin, it feels so soft and so clean and so fresh, I can't even tell you. This actually does not, I don't think this one smells. This doesn't really have that fragrance, and also they say that this is non-perfumed. But with this one, I feel like this definitely has a scent, but yeah, they have not written that this does not have perfume. Nowhere. So I'm sure that this definitely has perfume in it. Anyway, I used up this whole bottle, and I think I mentioned that to you guys already. I absolutely love this and I highly recommend it. If you guys have been loving my favorites videos or my skincare videos, and if you actually genuinely follow every recommendation that I give in my videos, then this is one of the things that you have to blindly go in for. So I've been loving this, especially for my entire face. All you need to do is take a little bit of this product on top of your cotton swab, and do not literally soak it in, because if you do that, you're going to be wasting a lot of product, which is really just waste. So don't do that. Just take the right amount of product that you need, and if you want to get rid of your eye makeup, just press it on top of your eyes and just swipe it, and it will take care of all the makeup. And if you're wearing extremely pigmented makeup, maybe you'll have to go over it twice, but if not, I would say that it still takes care of it in one swipe for sure. It takes care of pigmented lipstick in one swipe. The next thing I want to speak about is the oil infused micellar water. I have been using this. I have not used it as much as I've used this. Like about 1/4 of this has been used, but I have used it enough to tell you the difference between both the micellar waters and to tell you if both of them are working out for me or not. So the first thing I want to read from here is the Garnier Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This removes waterproof makeup. It cleanses, it nourishes. You do not need to rinse it off. This is for your face, eyes, lips. It is non-greasy, even though this is oil infused. It is tested for your eyes and for your skin. I believe this has perfume, like I already mentioned, because they haven't written over here. And they say that this has nourishing argan oil in it. The micelles capture and lift away residue like a magnet, while the oils dissolve traces of makeup and nourishes the skin. This definitely feels more hydrating. This also does, but this definitely feels slightly more hydrating. But I'm not really sure about the perfume part of it, like how much I want to put it on top of my face. The next thing they say that this refreshing formula is non-greasy and non-sticky, and this is suitable for all skin types. So like I said, this is non-greasy or non-sticky at all, even after you've removed your entire makeup or the dirt and grime, whatever it is that is there on top of your skin. If you pat it, if you just touch your skin, it will not feel sticky or greasy by any means. You'll feel like you've actually washed your face, but I recommend washing because I go the extra mile. Next, they say that this is, you gotta shake this before use, is what they have written, and apply onto face, eyes and lips just the way the other one is supposed to be used. I do recommend this, but I just feel like the perfumish thing in this is slightly strong, and for that reason, and for how not good perfume could be for your skin, I'm not sure about this particular one. But yeah, this is costing 350 rupees. It's for 349 rupees on Amazon.com, and this one is costing 225 rupees. Every single penny is worth it, you guys. I cannot do without it anymore. I have to have this. I'm sorry I went so fast with my words, but I had to because I feel so excited about certain products. I hope that you guys found this video useful. This is definitely one of my most favorite skincare routine products for sure. And if you guys would like a skincare routine video from me, then do let me know. I will definitely be more than happy to film a video for you guys. And I highly recommend you to buy this. This is not sponsored by Garnier. This was just a PR package that they sent to me, and like I said, I had already started to use this for myself. So yeah, highly recommend it. Definitely go get it. It is worth every single penny. And it is one of the most reasonably priced micellar waters in India. The next one is costing 700 rupees, or I think 750 rupees, and I think that is a lot. And if you're gonna get almost the same amount for almost half the price, then why spend that much money? And this is a great product. So yeah, I hope that you found this video helpful. Please share the video. Please comment below. Tell me which is your favorite micellar water in the comments below, and if you call it micellar or if you call it micellar, let me know that as well. Not that it makes a difference now because I filmed the whole video saying micellar, but anyway, I hope you guys found this useful. Have a great day. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram because that really means a lot to me. If you're new to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button. That also means a lot. And yeah, have a great day. I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!